Hello guys and welcome to the last episode of CES 2020 Unbox News in Las Vegas. Oh yeah! But first we'll talk about this awesome concept phone of OnePlus McLaren. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing here?
I want to kick your ass, you know? That's so funny. Yeah. You know what? You think you can post like Insta stories about iJustine?
Wait. You look so upset. So first, let's watch the video with iJustine. Yeah, true. And then we'll come back because you look so messed up. Hello guys, welcome to Unbox News. The episode will start it with iJustine.
Hi!
Thank you so much for accepting to be in this video.
Of course, thanks for having me.
Thank you. I just want to ask you about this concept phone. So just tell me what you think about it.
I think the concept is great, and what I love the most about it is the fact that this can actually act as an ND filter. So if you ever take photos or videos outside, not only will the cameras disappear, but it can reappear just slightly enough so that you can get really great outdoor photos and videos. So this is a really great concept.
Definitely, yes. I want to ask you a second question about CES 2020. This is my first CES.
Welcome.
After 1 year on YouTube.
Yeah.
That's something quite amazing for me.
That's pretty amazing.
And I met you. That's another step for me.
Step 2.
Step 2. And the step 3 is, the question is, what do you think is the best tech that you saw on CES?
It is so overwhelming. Like, I've been here for 3 days and I feel like I've hardly seen anything. I love checking out all of the cool car tech because I feel like the future is mobility, and obviously having cool things like this, you know, to integrate that is actually inspired by a McLaren is kind of interesting. The fact that a phone is inspired by a car tech, drone tech. I've been seeing a lot of really cool lighting companies.
Apple tech too.
Yes, of course Apple tech, but Apple's never at CES, which is unfortunate. But obviously Apple has their own events. But really just anything new, fun, and you know, CES is really interesting because a lot of stuff that you see here is concept, much like this. Sometimes you may never see those concept products, but those concepts always push forward the technology.
My twin, I told you about.
Yeah, your
He will
twin.
be so jealous. Yeah, you can be jealous.
Well, tell him I said hi.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
I took you just for my side.
Just for you. That's
Yeah,
fine.
definitely. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Our journey to Las Vegas CES 2020 is over. Yes, but at least we finished it with iJustine. So thank you for doing this amazing video. And if you guys need to know more details about the concept phone, just go to the link in the description. iJustine will explain everything. Yes, guys. So let's enjoy Las Vegas for the last second that we have, and we'll see you in the new episode. So peace.